The Paraffin Trimmer is an essential piece of equipment for histology laboratories. This device facilitates microtomy and the precise sectioning of samples by efficiently and safely removing excess wax from embedding cassettes. Paraffin wax, used to impregnate tissues prior to sectioning, ensures precision in the analysis of thin samples. This model features automated computer control, allowing for rapid and efficient heating. Its temperature range is adjustable between 0 and 90 degrees Celsius, with an accuracy of plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. The temperature sensors, manufactured in the United States, guarantee reliability and accuracy. Furthermore, the device includes a memory function that automatically restores the preset temperature after each operation, facilitating continuous use. With a work area of 230 x 160 mm and dimensions of 255 x 180 x 155 mm, the YR458 is compact and easy to operate. Its weight of 3 kg and power output of 150 W make it perfect for laboratory environments that demand speed and precision. Additionally, the device operates on a voltage of 220 volts plus or minus 10% 50 Hz or 110 V plus or minus 10% 50/60ths of a Hertz. To ensure consistent results and extend the equipment's service life, regular maintenance and proper staff training are recommended.